What'd you find?
A bird.
Bird? Can you use two hands? Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Oh, he's talking to you.
He turned his head around.
It's two hands. Use two hands. Cup him. No, no feet. Hands. Pick him up. Can you pick it up? All right. Let's let him go into the grass and say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, birdie. Bye-bye. Come on, buddy. All right, come on, buddy. What'd you find there?
A bird.
Look at me. You found a bird? All right. Come on, let's go.